Only 1% can solve this. You might think, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 divided by 2 is 8, and the parenthesis, 7 minus 4, is 3, so 8 times 3 equals 24. But that is completely wrong. You missed the PEMDAS rule. Can you get it right? Comment your answer below, smart subscribers. Look, PEMDAS is just a simple trick to remember the order of operations in math, from first to last. First, P is for parentheses, so you always clear those out first. Next is E for exponents, like powers and roots. Then you have M and D for multiplication and division. These two are on the same level, so you just solve whichever one comes first from left to right. Finally, you get A and S for addition and subtraction, which work the exact same way, you just finish them up from left to right. We have addition, division, multiplication, and subtraction within parentheses in this expression. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must solve the parentheses first. So, 7 minus 4 equals 3, and the expression becomes 10 plus 6 divided by 2 times 3. Next, we move to multiplication and division, working from left to right. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and then 3 times 3 equals 9. Finally, we perform the addition, 10 plus 9 equals 19. If you enjoyed this challenge, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.